personally was that the job itself I really enjoyed, and I knew my whole life it was best for me to find something that I liked if I was going to make a career out of it. And to me, it's like building big Legos. And when I was a kid, I really enjoyed Legos. When I found this, it was right on the spot for me. The other thing is that it's family-owned company, and we really take a lot of pride in the fact that, you know, we're a close-knit group. It has that homey type feeling. I've been with the company since 2010, and back at that time I just saw an ad in the paper and I applied and I got the job. I've learned a lot. I mean, everything from manufacturing skills to basic tool knowledge, your safety stuff, your quality stuff, your ISO standard stuff, your OSHA stuff, how to interact with people, how to manage people. Well, my first advice would be 100% to continue your education. Okay, so if you have that opportunity, I would definitely suggest taking it. Okay, the difference between here and, let's say, going to a McDonald's, manufacturing and industrial, I mean, it's just a different ballgame, because what we're doing, we're fabricating from raw material. So to see that process all the way from the start to the finish is really something neat, and there's quite a bit that entails that.